What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. So we're down here at Union County Dragway for the Steel in Motion Show 2020. You're going to be seeing some really cool things today. Got a few feature cars we're going to be doing, and we'll be putting that on the channel, so be looking forward to that. I also have some really cool interviews with people that have influenced me along the way, so you know, I want to get you to know those folks as well. But yeah, the atmosphere here is just unreal. You know, you can only get so much from a video, but I promise you this is unlike any show that you have ever seen. And some of the coolest cars gathered in one place. I mean, it's just unreal the amount of history that is on this property right now. So kick back, enjoy it, and like I said, you know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You know, we're growing at a pretty good rate, and we're going to keep bringing you these videos, and we got a lot of heavy tech stuff coming at you, mixed with some just good old-fashioned hot rod tips, and yeah, looking forward to it. So see you then. Well, folks, I'm going to bring you something special today on the channel. You know, if you look at your life, and if you had to really put emphasis on the people who impacted you in your growing up and made you into the person that you are, I've got about 5 men that I can count on my hand who done that for me. And I'm getting ready to introduce you to someone who just really opened up a whole new world to me when I was in high school. In fact, I was headed down the wrong road, but if it wasn't for this man right here, I wouldn't be showing you this video or doing this video. But I want to introduce you to none other than Danny Caldwell. He was my auto tech shop teacher. Danny, you know I've always thought the world of you, man, and it's just like an honor to be able to do this. So I want to give people a little background. You know, when I was coming up, I was this kid. You know, what made you see something in me and say, hey, look, I'm gonna do something with this kid and show him some things?
Well, I was a pretty lucky teacher because I had an awful lot of students like Andy here, and whenever I'd see one that was really interested and wanting, I'd give them a lot of effort and try to, you know, show them the right way of things to do. And students like him is what made my job livable.
Right.
But 1% I could deal with, 1% didn't want to learn.
Right.
But my 98%, that was good students, and some extra good students like Andy.
See,
kept me going.
When I walked through the door of that shop class and I seen that he had a Ford Mustang drag car sitting there, I was just like a pig in slop. And so, you know, that's where things began for us. But, you know, Danny has been very instrumental in my life when I was young and getting me on the right path so that I could go down the right road. And, you know, thank God for people like Danny Caldwell, who dedicated his life to the teaching world. And, you know, it all comes to the fact if, you know, we don't have good teachers, we don't have good citizens. And so just remember that. Thanks a lot. Well, folks, there you have it. Just made it back to the house after that awesome show. I just want to thank everybody who had a hand in putting the show on. You know, we had an awesome time out there. Casper, people just had a fit over Casper. So if you like what I'm doing with the channel, please stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Help spread the word, you know, post it on Facebook. Get the word out there to everyone about the channel and what we're doing, because we have some really cool things that's getting ready to go on with Casper engine wise, and also doing a lot of work with David Vizard. You're going to be seeing some videos of us together. It's going to be a tag team effort with both channels, both Unity Motorsports Garage and David Vizard Performance. So yeah, go over to his channel, check it out, and subscribe to it. Until next time, this is Andy. Catch you later.